What is artificial intelligence and why gain AI certification? Artificial intelligence is currently one of the hottest buzzwords in tech, and with good reason. The last few years have been several techniques that have previously been in the realm of science fiction slowly transformed into reality. Experts look at artificial intelligence as a factor of production, which has the potential to introduce new sources of growth and change the way work is done across industries. According to the report, how AI boosts the industry profits and innovations. AI is predicted to increase economic growth by an average of 1.7% across 16 industries by 2035. The report goes on to state that by 2035, AI technologies could increase labor productivity by 40% or more, thereby doubling economic growth in 12 developed nations that continue to draw talented and experienced professionals to work in this domain. The Simply Learn article on what is artificial intelligence provides an overview of AI, its most popular industry applications, potential career paths, and how certification can help you jump start your career in this fast growing field. Accelerate your career with the AI ML course with Purdue University collaborated with IBM. We shall cover the following topics: a brief history of AI, what is artificial intelligence, types of AI, application of AI, the future of AI, reason to gain AI certification. A brief history of artificial intelligence. A brief timeline of the past 6 decades of how AI evolved from its inception. In 1956, John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence and had the first AI conference. 1969, Shake was the first general purpose mobile robot built. It is now able to do things with a purpose versus just a list of instructions. 1997, supercomputer Deep Blue was designed, and it defeated the world champion chess player in a match. It was a massive milestone by IBM to create this large computer. 2002, the first commercially successful robotic vacuum cleaner was created. 2005 to 2019, today we have speech recognition, robotic process automation, a dancing robot, smart homes, and much more to come. After knowing the history, let us understand what is artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a method of